I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. See the Big Game Hunter, the head coach for JobSearchCoachingHQ.com, a site with curated information you can watch, listen to, or read to help you find work more quickly. If you want the uncurated material, the stuff that hasn't been edited down, visit thebiggamehunter.us, where I have thousands of blog entries about different elements of job search. Now, today's video basically answers a question that someone I coach asked me, and it's related to what causes a recruiter, corporate or third party, to instantly delete a resume? What makes you immediately dismiss it? And knowing that I worked in search for many years, it was an easy question for me to answer. So let me give you two answers, not just one. And answer number one is, in 6 seconds, I can't see. Actually, I didn't used to do it in less than 6 seconds, but in a few seconds, I can't instantly see how a person fits. I have no use for this. The second thing, and understand how my practice worked for why I say this, an international resume was of no value to me. So people in Asia would send a resume to me for a job stateside, understand how the U.S. visa system works, and they're asking an employer in the U.S. to interview, hire, sponsor, relocate, and a whole bunch of other things that my clients didn't want to do. They were willing to take this person on from a consulting agency who would handle all that legwork, but had no interest in doing that themselves. So the two things that would cause me to delete a resume instantly without any trepidation whatsoever, no fit whatsoever. I might put it in my database if it related in some way to searches I've been involved with, or I can anticipate my clients being involved with. But would I contact this person? Absolutely not. It's a waste of my time. I've received spam from someone. Same thing with the overseas resumes from Asia, Latin America, Europe. Made no difference where it was. If it wasn't US based, it was pointless to me. So I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, and you want to subscribe, click the little icon on YouTube. Sorry, it's right over there. On YouTube, subscribe to my channel there, and you'll get notifications whenever I release something new. In addition, if you're interested in my coaching you, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. Mention that you saw the video, because I just like knowing I'm helping some folks. Once we're connected, we'll set up a time for a free discovery call. Let's chat. I'd love to help you. Hope you have a great day. Take care.